guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and today we are going to be sowing some more seeds. Woo! Okay, so I have some amazing varieties of both snow peas. We have purple mist and super sugar snap. And I also have some very small cucumber varieties. My mom really let it be known to me this year that she wants a lot of cucumbers for pickling, for snacking on, for all that amazing stuff. So I thought I would try to do an early crop of cucumbers so I could plant them inside of their Earthship and see how they take. I've never really done cucumbers inside of their Earthship space. They do have indoor gardens. Tomatoes don't do too well. They definitely weren't the best, but I'm hoping that these cucumbers do better. I have Patio Snacker. I have Anya, which is a really cute pickling cucumber. And then I also have just homemade pickles. It says all 3 are from West Coast Seeds. All 5 of these actually are from West Coast Seeds. You can click the link down below and grab some. Amazing seed company. I love the packaging. It's probably some of my favorite. I really gravitate towards beautiful packaging, if you know what I mean. And these always stand out to me whenever I go seed shopping. I just picked these up recently at the local greenhouse and I'm really excited. All right, so I have one of my seed starting trays here. These are really cute ones that I've actually gotten from Amazon. As you can see, it's got color-coded little 2x2 inch pots here. They're really gorgeous and it really helps me keep track of everything. So I'm actually missing one because it's too cracked, but I've had these for the past 4 years. They're extremely durable. They come with a beautiful tray that lets water pass through, but they also have a bottom and they have a top. They're just not here right now because I'm just seeding right now, LOL. Okay, so we're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna do some sugar snap peas. Like I said, I'm doing some things early. I wanna see if these do really well inside my parents' Earthship. I've been testing things out. I've been struggling a little bit to figure out what to grow inside of their indoor gardens, especially in the winter time, because it's warm in there. It's decently warm. It's not middle of summer warm, but it's warm. But the other issue is we don't get a lot of light in the wintertime here in Canada. Obviously our days are extremely short and the sun is in a completely different space in the sky. So yeah, it's really been a weird thing to try to figure out what works inside of their gardens. You're dealing with okay temperatures, you're dealing with low light levels in the winter, and oh my gosh, on top of that, some of their planters are actually really moist. Really moist, too moist, soaking wet. It's a problem. Soaking wet is not always great. It's really not. So they have a gray water system in their Earthship. So what happens is they shower or do the dishes or do the laundry, and all of that wastewater goes through this underground planter system that then wicks up into the soil inside of these indoor planters in their Earthship. And then it gets filtered and cleaned, and some of it gets, I don't even know, but it goes through the planters, okay? And so some of the planters are just wetter than other planters, and I've been having a problem with what I can grow that loves wet, moist soil all the time and can deal with low light. So literally it's like a wetland plant vibe, and there's not a lot of vegetables that are wetland vegetables like rice. I don't know, maybe I could try to grow rice. That'd be fun. Harvesting rice though is a whole ordeal, so I'm not really sure I want to do that. But it is also a tropical plant. See? So it doesn't get the heat that I think it might want. Dang it. I've had success with ginger and turmeric. So I've had some really good success with those. I've also had success with papyrus. Papyrus loves the gardens, the indoor gardens. but you can't really do much with papyrus. Like I could make some homemade DIY paper, I guess, but and it spreads like crazy. I actually did have some ferns, some like annual ferns that I overwintered in my parents' indoor beds, and they did amazing. I actually just pulled them out, but they did great for so long. Weren't even supposed to last that long. But I really want to grow vegetables. I want to grow citrus. It's an Earthship, right? Like they're indoor beautiful gardens. I should be able to have food all year round, but I have been struggling. I'm gonna try potatoes. I'm gonna try snow peas, and I'm gonna try cucumbers soon. I love ginger and I love turmeric, so I'm definitely gonna do that again. And honestly, maybe some flowers. Like maybe I'll try to grow some bulbs in there or something. Like a cute little cut flower garden. I don't know. Ooh, sorrel does really well in there. Kale does okay, but sorrel, fantastic, because it's a very cool weather crop. I believe it's can go down to zone 2, even if like the fireplaces aren't going on like late at night, or like they're not home for 2-3 days. Like sorrel's fine. It's amazing. But yeah, I don't know. It's been a weird process with their Earthship. I don't know. I don't want to grow. I really just want to grow tomatoes all year round. But the light situation, you should pre-soak sugar snap peas. It's just so much better for germination. So I'm just gonna kind of do that. We won't seed these today. I'm gonna pre-soak them. Okay, we're gonna wait for that. We're gonna do cucumbers. We're going to seed our 3 varieties of cucumbers. I'm only gonna do 2 of each in each pot because I really shouldn't be starting my cucumbers right now for outdoors. Cucumbers, squash, pumpkins, all of that amazing stuff. They get quite big, quite fast. So you don't wanna start them too early, you know? 2 cucumber seeds per hole, let's go. Okay, homemade pickles is seeded. Homemade pickles. Okay, so homemade pickles is our first 2. We're gonna do that. Boom, boom, boom. Our next is these beautiful little Anya pickles. They're like gherkins almost. I can go through a whole jar of like gherkin pickles in like 10 minutes. I don't know, man. They're just so freaking delicious. Sorry. Okay, two of these. We're gonna do 2 per hole again of these. Let's go. They're so freaking cute. Productive and disease-resistant European pickler, bearing an abundance of dark fruit with fine spines. Okay, Anya. I love the name. A-N-Y-A. Anya cukes. And then we're just gonna do 1. No, I want 2 of each. We want 2. We want 2 patio snackers as well. Like, come on. I'm gonna do 2 in the purple here. There we go. And then I'll save my last guy down here for something else. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. I have some companion plants that I need to do, like dill and borage. I've already done some marigolds and I've already done some basil, but I want like other things. Patio snacker. There we go. Patio snacker pickles. These are great in hanging baskets, it says, or containers. So that's really amazing. I absolutely love that. Okay, so I'm not gonna seed my snow peas right now. I'm actually gonna wait at least a few hours so these soak up a little bit of water, and I'll seed them later. But you guys knew that I've got the purple mist and the sugar snap peas. That's it for today's video, a cute and quick one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you're growing any cucumbers this year. I'll definitely be doing a more in-depth video on them later on in the season in a few weeks from now. I have several other long Big Daddy varieties of cucumbers, but these are my small varieties I'm going to try to plant indoors for now. maybe even some cute hanging baskets in my parents' house. They have these beautiful long windows that are like 20 feet high. I have to get a freaking ladder out to clean them. And it would be really fun to like utilize that space. So I'm gonna do more this year inside their house. I actually spent hours the other day cleaning these windows in prep to have a cute little indoor garden to see like other things I might be able to grow. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what you're growing down in the comments below. My amazing Amazon list of garden goodies will be will be down there if you want to pick up some things for your seed starting season or just your gardening in general. I have a cute little Amazon affiliates link, and I'll also list West Coast Seeds down there because they have some amazing varieties you're gonna love. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. You better be subscribed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. I need more coffee. Bye.